لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذ ابتلى إبراهيم ربه بكلمات فأتمهن قال إني جاعلك للناس إماما قال ومن ذريتي قال لا ينال أحد الظالمين. Translation. And remember when his Lord tested Ibrahim with certain commandments and he fulfilled them. He, Allah, said, verily I make you an imam, leader for mankind. He, Ibrahim, said, and what of my offspring? He said, my covenant does not apply to the unjust. From here, the main topic is the change in the direction of Qibla. However, in the next several ayahs, we will see that ayahs on Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that He tested Ibrahim alayhi salam with certain commandments. And there are several narrations about those commandments in that books of tafsir. And several of the narrations are from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu anhu. One narration is that these commandments were about the Hajj and the rituals of the Hajj. And one narration is from Ibn Abbas radhiyallahu anhu that there are 10 commandments in which the 5 are about the head or the upper body, and the rest are about the other parts of the body. Those that are related to the upper part of the body includes shaving or trimming the mustache, to make mouth clean with water, with number 3, to clean nose with the help of water, with the way it is done in wudu and ghusl. And number 4 is to clean teeth with miswak. Number 5, to parting the hair of the head. And number 6, about the other parts of the body, is to cut the nails. Number 7 is to clean the hair below the umbilicus. Next is circumcision. Number 9 is to clean the hair of the axilla. And number 10 is to clean the private parts with the water. One other narration by Hazrat Ibn Abbas says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave Ibrahim alayhi salam many commandments. Number 1 was mentioned to leave their people. Number next, to say the oneness and tawheed of Allah in front of the king Namrud, and facing the life threat, saying the tawheed and not saying the anything to save his life. Then being thrown in the fire, and then to leave his country and to migrate towards the Syria, and then feed the people, and then to slaughter the son Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. And he passed all these exams. And then Allah says that He will make a leader to Ibrahim alayhi salam. And Ibrahim alayhi salam asked about his offspring, but Allah said that His covenant, Allah's covenant, does not apply to the unjust. So meaning, any people from His children, if they were unjust, they will not be given the leadership. However, we have seen that Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam's children had Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam and Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam's children had many thousands prophet. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.